Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's continue with GST. Let's solve few more sums on the same topic. Look at the first question. The tax invoice of a telecom service in Meerut shows cost of services provided by it as rupees 750. If the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of the bill. It is given that the services provided by the telecom service is rupees 750. So we can write the price, the cost price as rupees 750. Here the cost price as well as the selling price are same since the same amount is being paid to the telecom service. So let's write as selling price itself. Selling price is equal to rupees 750 and the GST rate is 18%. GST is equal to 18%. Find the amount of the bill. So the amount of the bill can be calculated as amount of the bill is equal to the selling price plus the GST. So here the selling price is rupees 750. Let's find the GST. GST rate is 18%. So GST is equal to 18% of 750. That is equal to 18 by 100 into 750. So when you simplify this, you will get this as 135. Therefore, the GST is rupees 135. Now we can calculate the amount of the bill as rupees 750 plus rupees 135, and that's equal to rupees 885. This is the amount of the bill. Look at the next question. Find the amount of the bill when the service is given from Delhi to UP. The number of services are given here. Cost of each service is given and the GST rate is also given. We need to find the amount of the bill. For that, first we need to find what is the total cost of each service. Here, the service cost of one service is 680 and that kind of 8 services are happening. So we need to know what is the total cost of this first service. So the total cost we need to find. Total cost and GST for each service. So here the GST rate is different for different services. We need to find what is the GST for each types of services. And finally, we need to add the total cost and the total GST to find out the amount of the bill. This is GST. So here, the total cost of the first type of service, that is 680 into 8, that is equal to 5440. That means we need to multiply 680 into 8, that is the total cost. And the GST is 5% for the first type. So 5% of 5440 we need to find, that is 5440 into 5 by 100. When we simplify and multiply this, we will get the tax as 272. Now for the second type, 320 is the cost of each service and the total number of services are 12. Then 12 into 320 is the total cost of this particular service. That is 12 into 320 is 3840. When you multiply 12 into 320, you will get this as 3840. And we need to calculate the tax for this particular service, and that is same as 12% of 3840. So 12% of 3840 is 3840 into 12 by 100. So when you simplify this, you will get the tax as 460.8. 460.8 is the GST for that particular service. Now the next one is 260 is the cost of that particular service and the total number of services are 260. Therefore the total cost will be 260 into 10, that is 2600. And the GST is 18% and the GST when you multiply 2600 into 18 by 100. This is the GST for this particular service and that is same as 468. When you multiply these two, you will get this as 468. Now the last one is the cost of that particular service is 420. Total number of services are 16. Therefore, the total cost of this particular service is equal to 420 into 16, 6720. So the total cost for the last type of service is 6,720 and the tax for this service is 12% of 6,720, that is 6,720 into 12 divided by 100. When we simplify this, we will get the tax as 806.4. The total tax for the last type of service is 806.4. Now to find the amount of the bill, as I have told you, we need to find the total cost as well as the total tax. When we add these two values, we will get the amount of the bill. So let's find that. Amount of the bill is equal to total cost. Here we need to find the total cost as well as total GST. Total cost, when you are adding all these values, you will get the total cost as 18,600. You will get this as 18,600, and when you are adding all these values, you will get this as 2007.2. This is the GST, sum of all these numbers. Therefore, the amount of the bill is equal to 18,600 plus 2007.2. So the total cost is rupees 20,607.2. This is the amount of the bill. Look at the next question. Mr. Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. Find the total annual premium including GST paid by him for his policy if the rate of GST is 18%. This is what the question. So here it is given that the SGST paid by him as rupees 900. The GST rate is 18%. It is given that GST is 18%. So here SGST is 900. So since GST is divided into SGST, we can see that this is happening intrastate service, or this policy is within the state, and that is why this will be CGST as well as SGST. Now it is given that SGST is 900. SGST means that will be 9% and CGST also will be 9%. And the amount paid as SGST is rupees 900. Therefore, we can say that 9% of the premium paid is equal to rupees 900. So the 9% of the premium paid is 900 rupees. We don't know how much is the premium. We need to find it. Let's assume, let X be the premium amount. Therefore, we can say that 9% of X is equal to 900, and that is 9 by 100 into X is 900. When we simplify this, we'll get the value of X as X is equal to rupees 10,000. 100 into 100, that is 10,000. We got the premium as rupees 10,000. Therefore, the annual premium is 10,000. Now we need to find the total tax paid by him. It is already given that the SGST is rupees 900. Now we need to find what is the CGST. We know the SGST is 900. Therefore, even the CGST also will be 900 rupees itself. Therefore, the total tax paid, total tax is equal to 1,800. This is the total tax paid for this particular policy. Therefore, our question is to find the total annual premium including GST. So, total annual premium including GST. GST is equal to the premium amount, that is 10,000 plus the tax paid 1,800, and that is same as 11,800. This is the total annual premium paid including GST. Now this question is for you. Solve it and let me know the answer. Look at the question, find the amount of the bill. So for this particular question, you need to find the amount. It is given that the rate per piece is 180 and the quantity of such article is 10 and the discount rate is given and SGST is also given. So for each type, we have to find separately the total cost as well as the tax, and at the end when you add the total cost plus the total tax, you will get the amount of the bill. Here you need to observe one particular point is that SGST is given and SGST is 9%. That means you have to find even the CGST. When SGST is 9%, CGST also will be 9%. And here when you are finding the tax, SGST is given, that you need to find, and next one more column there you have to find the CGST with the same rate, and total tax will be the sum of CGST as well as the SGST, and then the total cost will be there. When you are adding the total cost as well as the total tax, you will get the amount of the bill. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with more sums on GST. Thank you.